thank you for joining us for the Disney Park Princess overview of the Park Pass system for Walt Disney World Resort in Orlando, Florida. If you're planning to visit Walt Disney World, it's important to know that guests now require a reservation to visit the theme parks for each day of their stay. So we're going to be going over exactly how to make these reservations. The first thing and the most important thing to know is that you do need to be visiting My Disney Experience, the website, not the app. Park Pass reservations, as of right now, cannot be made through the app. They do have to be made through the My Disney Experience site. So let's get started. So I'm on the main Walt Disney World site here, and you can see that there is a pop-up at the top that gives you all of the information you need to know about when the parks will be reopening, COVID-19 restrictions, so on and so forth. There's a lot of good information in here, and it's really important that you read through it and click all of these Learn More links. But the next thing to do is let's get signed in. So we're going to sign into the My Disney Experience. Of course, I have mine saved. And as soon as we're in the main My Disney website, you can see that it looks a little bit different. Park planning, make a Disney Park Pass reservation. Now, let's just be sure that you understand you do need to have park admission before you can go to the Park Pass system. So let's go up here to the My Disney Experience drop-down and click on My Plans. This is where you can verify that your tickets are correctly linked. So under Plans and Tickets, here's what we're looking for. See where it says Park Tickets? I actually do have park. There it goes. It just took a second. I was about to say, I do have park tickets actually. So I have my family and friends list filled out, and this is also important to do before you start to make your Park Pass reservations because you want to make sure that everybody that's going to be with you is already linked in your family and friends list. If you have a resort hotel, also important to link it here. And if you have park admission, you're going to want to make sure that they are linked. Okay? And we can see down here the details. This trip is this particular trip is just me. Charlotte is listed because she's the #1 person that I tend to travel with. Sorry to my family. I'm staying at Disney's Art of Animation Resort. Sadly, this is really just for the purposes of making these reservations. But you can see that I'm all set to go. Up back to the top here, important message about the Park Pass reservation system. And this is where you can view availability. Disney actually recommends checking your availability prior to booking your hotel stay. So, Park Pass availability. To enter one of the parks, in addition to valid admission, each guest is required to make a theme park reservation via the Park Pass system. We got that. There are 3 different buckets, if you will, of availability. Theme park ticket guests. These are guests that are not staying on a Walt Disney World property, but do have park admission that they've purchased. Here's the color code. Green is all parks are available, yellow is some parks are available, and gray is no parks are available. So you can see for guests who are not staying on Walt Disney World property that there are a few days right after Disney has reopened that are already yellow. Look what happens when we go to Disney Resort guests. It changes. There's actually even a little bit less availability for right after the park opening for Disney Resort guests than there is for theme park guests. But when we go to annual pass holders, woo, not very many parks available for annual pass holders at this time. So it's really important that you're checking the correct availability because if you're looking at the annual pass holder by mistake, but you're actually just a regular theme park ticket guest, it's a very different scenario. And right down here is where you can see specifically what's available. So if we click on July 11th, you'll see that the Magic Kingdom still has availability. Epcot and Hollywood Studios don't. Well, that's actually because Epcot and Hollywood Studios don't open until July 15th, but you get the idea. If we look forward, you can see that there's still plenty of availability in the months to come. So if you're ready to make your Park Pass, you're going to go back up here and click on Make a Park Reservation Now. Then you're going to decide who's going with you. This particular trip, it's just going to be me. And then you move to the dates. So we're going to go to January, because that's when my hotel stay is. We're going to click on January 11th, the first day of my vacation. Choose a park. I always start in Epcot. Now, this is really just the posted opening times of the park. So it's not really a specific window like a fast pass. Usually when you get into this part of the system, there's only going to be one option. I'm going to go ahead and click that. I'm going to click that I have read the terms and conditions. And again, I can't stress this enough. It's really important to actually read these. Once I've done that and I've clicked that I have, I'm going to click confirm. And that's it. I'm all set. So let's say I want to make another park pass, maybe for the next day. I'm going to click make another park pass, make sure that it's still just me. I'm going to click through the calendar until I get to my selected dates. I'm going to go to January 12th. This time I'm going to go to the Magic Kingdom. I'm going to click my window, agree to the terms and conditions, and click confirm. It's just that simple. I have to say I'm really impressed. This is actually one of the more straightforward processes that Disney has come up with in a while. I'm really pleased to see it. So now if you want to see what you've done, you're going to go to My Plans and Tickets, you're going to scroll down, and you can see that I have Park Pass. So if you need to cancel or you want to change this, you go into reservation details, and you can cancel the Park Pass here. If you want to cancel it, let's cancel it just for haha so you can see what happens. Confirm that it's me canceling. Now right now there's no way to modify the Park Pass, there's just a cancel and rebook. And that's it. Pretty straightforward. Thanks for joining us on the Disney Park Princess overview of Disney Park Pass system. Don't forget to check out our website at www.disneyparkprincess.com. You can check out our blog. We have a podcast. All kinds of fantastic stuff. We also have a YouTube channel, as you know, because you're probably watching this on YouTube. And it's youtube.com/DisneyParkPrincess. Thanks so much.